Did you know you could share your Buncees as assignments to your students via the classroom dashboard? Hi, my name's Gabby, and today I'll show you one example of how you can share your Buncee as an assignment to your students via the Buncee classroom dashboard. So in this particular example, I've created a math quiz that I want to share with my students. So here I've included some multiple choice questions and some free response questions as well. And in this example, I don't want them to create their own Buncee or to copy and edit this Buncee. I just want them to answer the questions because this is just a little quiz that I've made for them. So everything is the way I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and share this as an assignment. So all I need to do is go to my dashboard. Here at the top, I'm automatically on Buncees, but right next to that is my classes tab, of course. And I can scroll down and find the class that I need. So in this case, I want to share this with my grade 2. So at the top, I'm on students automatically, but next to that is assignments. I can click that, and here's where I'm able to add an assignment for this class. So I can click add assignment. Now I'm going to give my assignment a title. It's just going to be called math quiz. I can give it a description. So in this case, I'm just going to tell them to answer the questions. Now, I have some options here. Of course, if I wanted to, I can require my students to submit a Buncee. So sometimes I might be sharing a template with them and I might want them to copy my Buncee and edit it and then turn that in, or I might want them to just make their own Buncee. That might be something that I want to do. But in this case, I don't want them to submit a Buncee. I just want them to answer the questions. So we're going to go ahead and toggle that off for now. I can also add my own Buncee here. Now, again, depending on the assignment I want to choose, I could not add a Buncee and I could just maybe tell them to submit their own Buncee and just give them some directions here. I could also include my own Buncee. Maybe I just want to share maybe a video recording of myself explaining something and I want them to listen to it. Maybe I want to include a Buncee that just has some directions and some examples for them, but then they are making their own Buncee. There's a lot of different kinds of things that you could do as an assignment, but in this particular case, we have created a Buncee and we've created those multiple choice questions and free response questions. So we are going to include that Buncee that we created that has those information, that information in it and those questions in it. So we're going to find our Buncee. Here it is right here, area and perimeter. So we're going to click add once we select that. So our Buncee is added. Now, because we do have multiple choice questions with this Buncee, up here at the top, we can control the feedback that our students receive. So we can say that they receive no feedback. We can say that they receive feedback after they submit the Buncee, or we can say that they receive instant feedback because maybe it's just a practice quiz or something like that. I'm going to leave it on 0 though because I want to be able to grade it, and I can add my own remarks to this if I want to. So we're going to say that they don't receive any feedback as they're taking the quiz. Now I can choose a start date. So let's say I wanted them to start on it today. They have from today. And let's say I wanted to give them until Friday to complete this. Next, I can also choose who receives this. So I can send this to all of my students, or I can also just choose to send it to just one of my groups. I have grouped my students, and this enables me to better differentiate learning. So maybe I just want to send it to group 2 in this case. I could do that as well. I am going to just go ahead and share it to all of my students because you could do that as well if you want. And then I'm going to click submit. So now I can see my assignment is right here in this class for the assignments. And that's it. It's as simple as that. My students can now go in and see this and complete this assignment. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.